Hello students. Hello students. Myself Arshal Nilkande Nevade, lecturer in Mechanical Department. Now we will continue with chapter number 2. Introduction to the gas turbine. In gas turbine, air is obtained, taken from the atmospheric and compressed in the air compressor. The compressor of the air is then passed to the combustion chamber, where it is heated considerably. Due to the combustion of a fuel in the combustion chamber, pressure and temperature of the air increase to the last extent. The high pressure of hot air so produced is then made to flow and strike over the moving blade of the turbine, causing them to rotate. During this process, the air gets expanded, thus the mechanical work is produced at the output shaft of the rotor. Finally, the air is exhausted into the atmosphere. Drawback of the gas turbine system: major part of the power developed by the turbine is consumed for driving the compressor, and remaining power is utilized for the doing external work. Classifications are there according to the path of working substance: closed cycle gas turbine, open cycle gas turbine, semi closed cycle gas turbine. According to the process of the heat, AC absorption or combustion, constant pressure continuous combustion gas turbine, constant volume or explosive combustion gas turbine. According to the fuel use: liquid fuel gas turbine, gaseous fuel gas turbine, solid fuel gas turbine. According to the cycle of the operation: Breton cycle is known as for a constant pressure gas turbine. Atkinson's is known as constant volume gas turbine. According to the arrangement: simple, intercooler, reheating, regenerative arrangement. According to the expansion of the hot gases: impulse gas turbine and reaction gas turbine. According to the direction of flow: axial flow, radial flow. According to the application: stationary install, electric power generation, pumping and refining power, produce the crude oil, nuclear power plant, moving vehicle, turbojet and turbopropel engine, propulsion, ship and locomotive aviations. Application of gas turbine: electric power generation, turbojet, propeller engine, pumping and refining process of crude oil, nuclear power plant, propulsion of a ship and locomotive, supercharging of a IC engine, aviations. Open cycle gas turbine. Working of open cycle gas turbine follows the constant pressure process. Okay, in open cycle, a starter motor is required to run the compress, or initially atmospheric air is compressed in the compressor. This compressor of the air is supplied to the combustion chamber. Fuel supplied to the combustion chamber is ignited with the help of the oxygen represented in the compressed air to produce the hot gases. Increase the internal energy of the hot gases during the combustion chamber is converted into kinetic energy with the help of the nozzle. This high velocity of the jet hot gases are made to strike on the blade of the turbine rotor, thus making the rotor to rotate. Thus, the kinetic energy is converted into mechanical energy or work, which is now made available at the output shaft of the turbine. As soon as the turbine starts to produce the work, the starter motor is made shut off. Major portion of this mechanical work made available at the turbine shaft is supplied to run the compressor. Remaining quantity of the power produced by the turbine is used to generate the electric power. For this purpose, a generator is coupled to the turbine, which converts the mechanical work into the useful of the electrical energy. Okay, you may see the figure. Closed cycle gas turbine. In case of the open cycle gas turbine, the combustible gases are expanded in the gas turbine, which may be corrodes the turbine blades. This difficulty is overcome by using the closed cycle gas turbine power plant, where the fuel does not come in direct contact with the compressed air. Air compressed is passed through the heat exchanger, then heat heater. The compressed air is preheated in the heat exchanger, and the air and then heated in the heater. This high pressurized hot air strike over the blade of the turbine rotor, where the it gets expanded continuously. Thus, the pressure associated with the hot gases is converted into kinetic energy, which makes the turbine rotor to rotate and produce the mechanical work. The hot air is leave through the heat exchanger. You may see the figure 5 to 6. Okay, so it is give away from some amount of heat compressed 2 to 3 entering in the air heater. Okay, after passing through the heat exchanger, air is still contains some amount of, hence it is a hot. This hot air is cooled in pre-cooler and then supplied back to the compressor for the purpose of recirculation. As the same air is recirculated again and again, the gas power plant is called as closed cycle gas turbine. The mechanical work produced at the output of the turbine is utilized to produce the electric power in the generator. Compensation cycle is carried out at the constant pressure, therefore it is called as the constant pressure closed cycle gas turbine. In the air in the air heater, fuel may be added or burned in the compressed air and flow at the constant with the fuel. In the case of the air heater, it may be called as the combustion chamber, as the starter motor is required to run the compression initially. As soon as the turbine start developing the power and the supply part of the compressor starting motor is made of shut off. Working cycle of the gas turbine. Constant pressure gas turbine works on the Brayton cycle known as the Joule cycle. Refers the Brayton cycle reported PV and TS diagram. Okay, Brayton cycle consists of four. Okay, from 1 to 2 process is isentropic compression process, in which the air is compressed from pressure of P1 to P2. Constant pressure heating process from processes 2 to 3 in combustion chamber. 3 to 4 is isentropic compression process, in which air is expanded in the turbine from P3 to P4. Okay, and 4 to 1 process is constant pressure cooling process in pre-cooler. Thermal efficiency of Brayton cycle is given by if theoretical efficiency is equal to 1 minus T1 minus T2 is equal to T2 minus T1 divided by T2. Assumption made in closed cycle gas pressure gas turbine. Both compression and expansion are isentropic process. Pressure losses in the system are neglected. Specific heat of the working fluid remain constant throughout the cycle. Heat losses are neglected. Kinetic energy of working fluid is entering the compressor and leaving the turbine in same. Advantages and disadvantages of gas of closed cycle gas turbine. Advantages are reduce size of plant, increase the life of turbine blade, no fabrication, no filtration, use of soil fuel economic alternative working fluid, low maintenance cost, high reliability, long life. Disadvantages: unsustainable for aircraft engine, heavier system, need a large air heater, chances of leakage, increase in initial cost. Fuel used for the closed cycle gas turbine: gasoline, gaseous fuel, solid fuel, and liquid fuel. Okay, gaseous fuel is natural gas, blast furnace gas, procedure gas. In solid fuel, finely crushed coal. Okay, and liquid fuel of petroleum origin are most commonly used for the gas turbine. This fuel possesses the special properties such as calorific heating value, viscosity, property of volatility, etc. This property of enables smoothing the working of the gas turbine along with improve the efficiency compared to the other types of fuel. There is a difference between I have given some factors: pressure, size of plant. Okay, we will see. In open cycle and closed cycle, pressure lesser in open cycle, higher in closed cycle. Size of plant larger in open cycle, reduced size in closed cycle. Output lesser output in open and greater output in closed. Corrosion of turbine based due to the contaminated gases in open cycle. No corrosion since there is indirect heating in closed. Working medium, loss of working medium, no loss of working medium in open, no loss is in close. Filtration, okay, it causes severe problem in open, no filtration of air is required in close. Part load efficiency, less part in open cycle, more part in closed cycle. Thermal efficiency, less in open, more in closed. Requirement of cooling, no requirement of cooling in open, large amount of cooling is required in closed. Weight system, less in weight of open and more in weight in closed. Response to the changing load, good response in open and poor response in closed. Fluid fabrication, more fluid fabrication in open, no less fluid fabrication in closed. There are 12 points which I have given. Advantages and advantages of a gas turbine over the IC engine. What are the advantages? You may see the some factors are given: mechanical efficiency, thermal efficiency, power generation, need of flywheel, ignition and lubrication system, rotational speed, specific weight, fuel economic, maximum pressure components you may study. Okay, point wise which is given, point of comparison. Limitation of disadvantage of the gas turbine, or now disadvantage. Okay, it is now again point of comparisons are there: thermal efficiency at full load, thermal efficiency at part load, pollution problem, manufacturing of blades, special cooling system, life of the blade, kind combustion chamber, speed reduction device. Okay, gas turbine and IC engine you may see. Difference between are there, difference between of gas turbine and steam turbine, or you can say advantages of gas turbine over the steam turbine. Okay, there are some point: capital cost, running cost, starting weight of the plant to produce 1 kilowatt power, control installation. Okay, comparison of gas turbine, IC engine and steam turbine. Okay, there are comparison of on based on the point of comparison I have given: mechanical efficiency, flywheel, weight per kilowatt output, rotational speed, fuel cost, exhaust turbine, starting trouble, capital and running cost, thermal efficiency, fuel cost, speed reduction device, which we can say as reduction gear also. Okay, part load efficiency. So you may see the comparison of gas turbine, steam turbine point wise. Control of pollution caused due to the gas turbine and diesel engine. Okay, pollution control, modification in engine, use of alternative fuel, exhaust gases treatment, in which afterburner, exhaust manifold, radiator, catalytic converter. Okay, two-way catalytic converter or three-way catalytic converter you may say. Control of non-exhaust emission is also there. Okay, formulas to solve the problem, numerical problem of IC engine. There are some formulas which are given. Okay, area of cylinder A is equal to pi by 4 d square, mean effective pressure PM is equal to AI into SO divided by LI. So PM means mean effective pressure. Okay, SO means what, LI means what. As we will solve the problems, you will get to know how, what is SI, what is BI. Okay, there are some numerical which I have given. Following observations were noted during the test of single cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine. Area of indicator diagram is 422 mm square. Length of indicator diagram is 63 mm. Spring number 1.2 bar per mm. Diameter of piston is 100 mm. Length of stroke is 151 mm and engine speed is 455 rpm. Determine indicated mean effective pressure and indicated power. Okay, now area is given, length is given, so means what, number of spring numbers. Okay, diameter of piston is given, length of stroke is given and speed is given. So first of all we will find the area. After find out the area, we will find the number of working stroke per minute. Okay, after that indicating the mean effective pressure. Mean effective pressure PM is equal to AI into SO upon LI. So area I have calculated. Area is given 425. Indicated diagram area is given. Okay, multiplied by spring number is given divided by length. Length how much? 63. Indicated mean effective pressure. So PM I will get 8.0952 bar, and indicated power is IP is equal to 100 into K into PM into LAN plan. Okay, so 100 into K is number of cylinder, single cylinder 1. PM is 8.092. Okay, length is given, area is given. Okay, and N means what, number of working stroke, divided by 60. I will get indicated power 3.64 kilowatt. Same second problem is there. You may see following data were recorded during the trial of diesel engine. Speed engine is 101 rpm, load brake is 1002 Newton, length of brake is 751 mm. Determine brake torque and brake power of engine. So whatever the data is given, I have written. Procedure for brake torque formula is T is equal to W into LB. W is given 1002 into LB is given 751 mm. So I have converted in meter 0.751. Okay, brake torque will be 752.502 Newton meter. Okay, after that brake power engine B is equal to 2 pi nt divided by 60. Whatever the values are given, substitute and you will get the brake torque. Brake power engine will be 79.5898 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 watts is equal to 79.5898 kilowatt. Third problem is given again, same. Okay, you may solve this problem. Okay, practice the problem numericals. First of all, before practicing the problems, you have to write the formulas. After writing the formulas, practice the problems. Have calculator with you. Calculator you have to use 82 ms compulsory. Scientific calculator 82 ms. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask. Thank you.